welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a long time since I posted anything on my channel, but that's actually part of my vision board assignment this year is to actually stay consistent. What are some of your goals? Well, before you go into that, let's first find out how we're going to create this vision board for 2019 and any goals that you may have in the future. But really, it's February and we're in 2019. You still didn't create a vision board yet? What are you waiting for? But anyways, stay tuned and you will see the steps on how to create a vision. Okay, before we even get started, let's talk about what's a vision board. A vision board is a collage of images, pictures, and affirmations of one's dreams and desires designed to inspire and motivate you to attain your goals. So that can be anything. It can be pictures of you. It could be cutouts, newspapers. It can be any pictures that inspire you from magazines that inspire your vision. You can have words, you can have printouts, printout words or words you find in a magazine or newspaper that speaks to the vision that you have for yourself. What are you going to put on your vision board? What should you put on there? A lot of times people want to create a vision and they don't really put much focus on what they want for their life, but they just focus on the things they really need, which is also good, which is also part of the whole vision board. It's making sure you put together a collage of things that's going to manifest the goals and the vision you have for yourself. Because there's always something in different areas of our lives that we can tap into, that we can have goals for, that's going to help keep us balanced and more well-rounded and not so lump-sided. Because a lot of times we'll find ourselves focusing more on one specific stage in our life or one category in our life, while on the other hand, other parts of our life is suffering or experiencing lack of attention. Which is why I believe it's important that when you're creating your vision board, that you have categories on there that will address the different areas and stages in your life, such as relationships, career, finances, home, travel, health, personal growth, such as education and spiritual life. I went a little fancy on my vision board, but it's pretty much covering all the topics that I told you about. As you can see, it's covering business and career goals right there. And over here showing the health and fitness. And right over here, you'll see the relationship and marriage goals. And you'll see that I have also my educational goals and spiritual growth and family goals. You'll see over here I have beauty and healthcare and, taking care of myself and doing more beauty stuff. Of course, vacation. This part is one of my favorite parts on the board, especially with this picture. It just says, taking a jump and taking a leap into new adventures, which I love. And of course, my spiritual goals and drawing closer to God. So it's a really good example of all the things that I told you about. Of course, you can do your board any kind of way. There's no right or wrong way to do it. I just choose to be a little bit fancier in making it. Of course, it's making your board effective. How do you do that? First, making the decision to know whether it's a short-term or a long-term goal. Choose wisely what you put on your board because you want to make sure that the feelings that you draw from these cutouts in words, that it's drawing good feelings and emotions and that you're feeling inspired by it. If you know you're feeling jealous, upset, in any kind of way that makes you feel negative, I suggest that you do not put it on your board. So that cutout of that beautiful mansion, if it's going to make you feel upset or feel like you're a loser and that you're never going to accomplish it and it's going to feel like it's unattainable, then guess what? You might want to take that off your list and get something that's going to be more geared towards something that's going to inspire you to get to those goals and motivate you and not discourage you. The number one problem I see with people not accomplishing their goals on their vision board is that they're not completing the vision board altogether. So make sure you finish your board. Make that your priority no matter how much time you take on it. Make sure that you finish and complete the vision board. Now, the second problem I see with people not accomplishing their goals on their vision board is that they're not making their vision board visible. They complete the board, and guess what? They take the board and they put it under their bed, they put it in a closet. Well, you know what they say? Out of sight, out of mind. It's totally true. If it's not within view, then guess what? You're not going to remember that it's there. You're going to forget about it, and you're going to forget about the vision. Make it visible. As you can see, I put my board in a prime location, which is right near the door. So as I'm exiting or as I'm entering, I can see the board. And last, be intentional about what you're doing to complete the vision. Actually take steps towards completing the vision. Put in the effort towards doing the things you need to do to get you closer to your goal. You may have started your vision board in February, but guess what? You still got time and you can do it. Make it happen. Subscribe, like if you like this video. Thank you.